Alright guys, we have something new from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. I was gifted this from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, and I've mentioned this like influencer, I think it's an app. Yeah, it's an app thing you can sign up for. It's called Skeepers, which used to be Octoly, so I got it through that platform. This is new. And if you are familiar with the Longwear cream shadow sticks, this is similar, but this is a liner, which in turn can be a shadow stick, I think. So you're kind of getting the best of both worlds. I haven't tried it yet. We're gonna try it together. I got shade Aubergine Matte. I'm not sure when this is gonna launch. I will update the description box when it does, but one of the things for this was that I have to do a review on it on Sephora. But I was like, I'm gonna make a video too, right? We love Bobbi Brown Cosmetics here. Oh my God, it's so pretty. All right, so again, Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Aubergine. It's like a nice little point, and if my, nope, okay. I thought, I was right. It has a little sharpener in the back, so we won't lose that beautiful tip there. Let's swatch it. Oh, very creamy. Beautiful, like eggplant color. It is a true matte. So, we're gonna line my eyes. We're gonna line my eyes. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna take my hair out of my face first. And let's just go for it. I need a mirror. All right, I have my mirror here. I'm gonna look down, I'm gonna line my eyes. Let's see what the pigmentation is like. I know I have a lot of mascara on, but oh, very creamy. I can go back and forth. There's no tugging. So for my folks out there that have mature lids and you don't want to like tug, it's creamy, it moves. I'm gonna do a little wing. Oh, I'm so happy I picked this color. It's so pretty with my brown eyes. All right, I gotta look down and stop talking because I got this little like gap here and it's gonna drive me crazy, so. Note to self, do your liner before mascara and you won't have that problem. I'm gonna get this inner corner here. That's really nice. Holy moly, that is really nice. All right, if you have dark brown eyes like I do, and you're interested in this, absolutely get the Aubergine color because, what? It makes my eyes look really nice. Okay. That's a big difference. All right, it's not losing its shape. Wait. It's not losing its shape either, which is really, really nice. Let's do this side. Because the shape actually stays, you can really just kind of run it along your lash line and it's really beautiful. Okay, I'm like a little obsessed with this right now. This is insane. Okay, let me just look. My little wings are never the same because this eye's like more hooded than this one. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. That's so freaking nice. Yeah, I would say just do this before you put your mascara on. I have on my Judy Doll mascara and it's like my lashes are not moving. So This is like working around it, but it's not tugging, it's not pulling anything. And I really like this color. It is a true, I always thought Aubergine was more, I guess it does make sense. I thought Aubergine was more of like a reddish purple, but this is like a true purple eggplant, like purple color. And it's just so pretty. I am so amazed that it's really not losing its shape. And you don't have to put too much pressure when you use it either. It's just walk that baby along your lash line and like you're good. Okay, I think I'm gonna start exploring purple eyeliners because this is freaking amazing. I like it a lot. So new from Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. I will update, well obviously when it launches I think I can post it, but I'm definitely gonna give this a very good review on Sephora because it's amazing. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!